Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Number 1. Pakistan is dash hours ahead of GMT. Answer is 5. Number 2. PEPA stand for. Answer is Pakistan Environmental Protection Agency. Number 3. Who started Jihad movement? Answer is Sayyid Ahmad Shaheed. Number 4. WASA stands for. Answer is Water and Sanitation Agency. Number 5. Miratul Arus is written by. Answer is Nazir Delvi. Number 6. The Pakistani drama Waris was written by. Answer is Amjad Islam Amjad. Number 7. The main role in the drama Waris is acted by dash. Answer is Abed Ali. Number 8. Which range is called roof of the world? Answer is Pamir Plateau. Number 10. Pakistan is a part of ICA as. Answer is Associate member.